Hi, I'm Rich with insideHPC. We're here at ISC 15 in Frankfurt, Germany, and I'm here with Bill Mannel from HP. Bill, how are you doing so far?
I'm doing great. Thanks, Rich.
Well, great. Well, thanks for coming on. I wanted to ask you, what's new at HP? It seems like there's a lot going on with the company.
Oh yeah, you bet. So as you probably know, we're in the middle of a separation. So we're going to take a $120 billion company and break it into a couple $60 billion companies, and one's going to focus on more of a personal computing business. The other one will focus on our enterprise business. So it'll be called Hewlett-Packard Enterprise. And one of the exciting things about it is as a part of this separation, we've actually gone back and looked at what are some of the great opportunities that are out there from a market perspective. And HPC has come up as one of those opportunities.
Okay, and what I thought was really interesting is you're forming a business unit focused on HPC and big data.
You bet. And so that's one of the results of this analysis. So we saw the HPC market as a very interesting market, and we also are interested in how big data plays in and the impact that it's having in the enterprise space, and how HPC can be a way for enterprises to realize some of the value in all that big data.
Well, great. So coming at this as HP is the leader, you're the market leader in HPC, but now as a new company, you're kind of taking a renewed focus and a different approach than what you've done before. Could you tell me about how that's going to work?
Sure. So what we've actually done is we're focusing on a series of optimized hardware platforms. So the Apollo line is actually going to be a purpose-built platform for high-performance computing and big data. And so we'll also not just focus on the hardware, but also work on solutions and work on our partner ecosystem. So that will allow customers, especially new customers to HPC, to get up to speed very quickly. And then we'll also patch services around the whole, so that then, again, allowing customers an easy on-ramp to all this new technology.
Okay, well, and speaking of new technology and partners, you made an announcement about Intel with their scalable system framework. What's going on there?
Sure. So there's so much opportunity out there, and we just don't feel like we have all the capabilities and all the knowledge to actually exploit it the best. So we've actually created an alliance with Intel. We call it the HP Intel HPC Alliance. And basically what it's meant to do is allow us to work together to create differentiated platforms centered around the Apollo line, build solutions that are industry specific, application specific, and then be able to do things like create centers of excellence, of which we'll have two. One in Grenoble, France, which is an expansion of the current one we have, and a new one in the Americas, which we're centering in Houston, Texas.